Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find flights in the Avelo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Book a Flight button. First, you have to set the departure country or city, and then the destination as well. And then you have to set if you want to book a round trip or a one-way trip. In the case of a one-way trip, you only have to set the departure date. So just click on that and set it. And in this calendar, you will be able to see the available days for that. And then you have to set the passengers, so the number of adults, children, and infants traveling with you. And then just click on the Done button. And you can apply a promo code if you want to, but that's optional. And then just click on the Find Flights button. And it takes a couple of seconds for the application to find it. And as you can see, here is one available flight for those parameters that I set. And if you click on that, you will be able to see the available seats that you can reserve. And yeah, so from now on, you can just continue with purchasing a ticket for a flight. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.